to check your transaction history on Stash, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the app and find the information you need quickly. Step 1. Open the Stash app. Launch the Stash app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once you are on the home screen, look for the account icon or menu option, usually located at the bottom or top of the screen. Tap on it to access your account details. Step 3. Select Transactions. In your account section, find and select the Transactions option. This will take you to a list of all your recent transactions. Step 4. Review your transaction history. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Log out or return to home. After reviewing your transaction history, you can either log out of your account for security or return to the home screen to continue using the app. By following these steps, you can easily access and review your transaction history on Stash. Happy investing!